Hello, welcome to Introduction to Lesson Planning for the One Shot. My name is Liz Johns and I am the designer and instructor for this course, and I'm happy to be taking you through the lesson planning process. I wanted to start off by sharing a little bit about me and the course before we dive into the content. I'll also be asking you all to share a little bit about yourselves during the first module. So I'll get us started. I'm currently the Learning Design and Technologies Librarian at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland. And in my role, I am the liaison to the Johns Hopkins School of Education, and I'm the lead online learning librarian and instructional librarian. So I spend a lot of my time teaching face-to-face and online, and also supporting other librarians in their teaching. I've also just started working on my Doctor of Education at Johns Hopkins, so like you, I am also a student right now. This course is about lesson planning. Probably like many of you, when I started as a librarian, I didn't know how to put together a lesson plan. Lesson planning wasn't really even on my radar. Sure, I would have an outline when I was teaching, but not a true lesson plan. And I'm guessing that a lot of you are here because you're in the same place that I was. You know that you could or should be doing a formal lesson plan for your teaching, but you haven't had any real training and you're not really sure how to make one or what it should look like. And some of you may have your doubts. What's wrong with my outline? Why do I need a formal lesson plan? What I'm doing seems to be working fine. And perhaps you're thinking, if I'm only in a classroom for 10 minutes, do I really need a lesson plan? Yes. The answer to that question is yes, you do. But I get it. I've been there. Since I started using a real lesson plan, not only has my teaching improved, but it makes my life so much easier. And I hope that by the end of these 6 weeks, you'll feel the same. So this course runs over 6 weeks, and there are 8 modules. The first and last weeks are 2 modules each, and everything in between is 1 module per week. The full schedule is detailed in the syllabus. That's the first thing you should look at after this video. And over the next 6 weeks, you'll be working on a variety of activities and projects, engaging in the discussion board, and working together in small groups. You can expect to do some readings, review some slides, websites, and other resources, and complete some individual activities. We'll have 1 optional synchronous session during week 4. Besides that, everything is asynchronous. However, that does not mean self-paced. The course is structured so that it's scaffolded towards the major project, which is teaching a lesson from a lesson plan that you develop, so it's important that you stay on track. Additionally, since you'll be working with others in the course, it's important that you respond to discussions by the due dates to engage in the discussion. We're going through this together, so it's important to keep up each week. Log into the course multiple times a week, and don't try to do everything for a module all at once. I've set up a general discussion board for you to ask questions throughout the course. The chances are, if you have a question about something, someone else in the course does too, so please feel free to use that anytime. So take a look at the syllabus, review the checklist for this module, and continue on your work for this week. And welcome to the course.